In this guide, we're going over the very best deck that you can use here in Arena 6 in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But for Arena 6, one of the strongest decks that you can use is actually going to be this Hog Rider Goblin Barrel bait deck with an average elixir of 3.3. Now, your main pressure point actually comes from the Hog Rider, which is going to give you quick tower damage, and the Goblin Barrel, which is going to force out enemy spells. If they zap or log barrel, your hog can sneak in damage, and if they save it for the hog, let your barrel chip away, and that's essentially a bait cycle at work. Arena 6 is a perfect opportunity to start learning that bait cycle, which is why I recommend this deck so much. But for defense, what you're going to want to use is the Inferno Tower, just because it's godly and it melts down tanks like Giant, Balloon, or even Royal Giant at this stage of the game. Skeleton Army is also going to force out spells and punish sloppy pushes. And the Musketeer is going to be your long-range defender, keeping cards that are air-specific like Baby Dragon or Minions in check. And then on top of that, you also have Fire Spirit to cheap cycle and splash value. Spell-wise, Fireball clears Musketeers, Wizards, and Minion Hordes, while Zap is going to be your fast reset and swarm control. This deck's strength is obviously going to be its versatility. You can defend almost anything immediately and turn it into a counter push with Hog or Barrel. And if you do like a balance of chip, bait, and counter push plays, this Arena 6 win condition deck is going to be for you. If you do have any questions on the deck, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.